Hi, in this video we are going to look at how to change the label set in profile in Civil 3D. So we have this layout profile here. We have a label set on here. So if you click one of the labels, you can see it is touching the layout profile. If it is touching the other profile, the label set will be belongs to that profile. So currently it is touching the top ones. That means the label set is related to this top profile. So if you want to change the label set and the data how it looks like, and if you want to get a pre-configured label set, this is how to do that. Click on the profile, right click, go to edit labels, and you have the label sets appearing here at the moment. So if you want to have a new label set, go to import label set here. So if you don't want to have any of the labels showing in this one, click OK for no labels and click apply. No, none of the labels will appear here now. This area will be empty. But if you want any other type of label set, you can go to new road profile labels. You can click here, then apply. If you want the other one, complete label set, click OK, click apply. You will see how the labels change. So with these options, you can select one of the label sets which suits you, and after that, click OK to get that label set onto the profile. So this is how to use or how to set a label set into our profile in Civil 3D.